In every room of your home, you can find room for energy savings. You can feel like a magician, conjuring up energy efficiency in your laundry room.
Look at this ordinary run-of-the-mill incandescent bulb. Alakazam! Now it's an LED. Voila! It also provides better light quality. That old dryer, presto chango. It's now a new Energy Star model with smart features that can sense when the clothes are dry. Watch as I cut your cost running this load in half. Abracadabra! Running full loads makes real dollars disappear from water and energy bills. Behold, these orbs hold powers. Throw them in the dryer and clothes will dry quicker. Ta-da! For my next trick, I'll dry these clothes for free using nothing but the air around me.
And that's how you'll feel when you find room for savings in your laundry room, almost like magic.